Hello everyone, today we're making a fresh and flavorful oil-free long bean salad. It's light, healthy, and packed with garlic, chili, and lemon, the perfect side dish to enjoy with steamed rice. Let's get started. Bring a pot of water to a boil over medium heat. Add the yardlong beans, a half teaspoon of salt, and blanch for 1 minute 30 seconds. Friends, where are you watching my video from? Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to know. Quickly transfer them into ice water to stop cooking and keep their vibrant green color. Drain well and pat dry with a kitchen towel. Cut the beans into 1/2-inch pieces. Slice the shallots thinly. Crush and mince the garlic. Chop the red chilies into small pieces. In a small bowl, combine garlic, chili, handashi if using, fish sauce, and lemon juice. Mix well to make the dressing. Taste it and add more seasonings as needed. Add cut long beans to the plate. Add the sliced shallots, crushed peanuts, and blended dried shrimp. Pour over the garlic chili dressing. Then toss everything together until well coated. Garnish with crispy fried shallots on top. And there you have it, a refreshing, healthy, and flavorful yard-long bean or long green bean salad. That pairs beautifully with steamed rice or your favorite main dish. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching to the end.